Hi and welcome back. It's Roz Green at howtoblog101.com, and we are today going to go over the second step. Now that you have purchased your domain name, you have to host it somewhere. There are some instances where you can have self hosting that's built into the programs that you're using. We're going to be going to use a self-hosted blog on WordPress. Then you're going to have a hosting service. I'm going to recommend HostGator. I do know that there are others out there, and if you're familiar with those and you prefer to use any other hosting service, feel free to do so. I just recommend HostGator because it's the one that I've always used. It's one that's extremely popular, and I've never ever had any problems. And the best part, if you ever get stuck on anything, there is 24/7 assistance for you. So I'm simply going to just keep it simple and recommend HostGator. Again, you can use whatever you like. You simply click on the link below. That will take you to HostGator, and what you're going to notice is that there are some different programs that you can tap into. So let's take a look at the hosting plans that we're going to choose from. Right here in the middle where it says View Web Hosting Plans, I'm going to click on that. And now it's going to take me to the different plans that we have an option of using. There's the hatchling plan, there's the baby plan, and then there's the business plan. I am going to recommend that you select the baby plan. Of course, you can select either one that you choose, but I won't recommend the hatchling at all because anyone who's serious about doing any kind of work online, the hatchling plan is not going to be enough. It only allows you to use a single domain. You want to have an option to have unlimited domains, you want to have unlimited disk space, and you want to have unlimited bandwidth. And you just want to make sure that you can have all of that on as many domains that you choose. Believe me, when you start to really take this seriously, you're going to end up with tons of domain names. I probably have 60 or 70 domain names because I'm a niche blogger, but you know, there might be other reasons that you need more than one, and you don't want to limit yourself. So I'm going to recommend the one right here in the middle that's called the baby plan. All you have to do, click on order now. And now you're going to register a new domain name. Now you have an option. We've already purchased our domain name from GoDaddy. So you can enter that domain name here. Now I'm not going to put the domain name that I purchased because I'm going to be setting it up a different way, and I'm going to show you, in case you already have a HostGator account, how simple it is, or when you start to add additional domain names to your account, I'm going to show you how simple it is to add that domain name. But you have to have your initial main domain name that you are setting up your account with. So the name that you just purchased is going to be the one that you're going to simply put here in this box. And let's see, I'm just going to put a fake one and see. Test domain for training.com, and we're going to continue to step 2. And again, of course, it's going to take you to the billing information. I'm not going to fill any of this out, but all you need to do is to select the baby package type and whatever billing cycle that you want to choose. Most people use 1 month at a time, but of course you can pay for up to 36 months at a time. That choice is yours. Select a username and a security pin that you're going to remember, because this is going to be key for all of the other domains that you're going to be using. Fill out the information for your billing. Review your details, and then simply click on create an account. Again, I can't do that right now because I already have one, and we're not going to go through that process because it's very self-explanatory. But this is the second step. All you do now is, at the end of this video, which is going to be in about 25 seconds, go ahead and get your hosting set up with the domain name that you purchased from video 1. And then we're going to go to the next step, which is going to show you how to tie everything together. See you in the next video.